Mwanchumu ligiribono na gukwanirya ndonsi ya sobereta semargoba yabono chinga kini gukwarigania semesa ya mangana mayekero chargire Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko aseri bonyale ko sansa murane na gokumanya senchero yoboyekirano ababereka okolekana korwase mambi yarenge ntambe no kugena kwande bunalituko lya oboigoneri yali yarenge enga kiende togo cyokumanya gwetera Ndizi TV obwansu bwo mugusiri tukarigane lya Jumatano tariki 22 omutyonyo gatatu mwaka bwekiri bubere na 23 nyirabona nabokondera gotobwa Waitera sensemeli mtandao nsema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital na bwagansemeli ya YouTube na bwatana buna Ndizi TV News ritanganike gimantara kumanya mange tigatonyora mangana ywa senchira yoko ya tuta.
Tomorrow 23rd March 2023 begin a 3-day walking tour of Kisii and Nyamira Counties and Kuria East and West constituencies.
Emerobeli Jonsi yoko mwarigani omurebwense William Ruto imeyora kongoro wa Gusii ya ikiraniro tebiro monagilio State House Hussein Muhammad.
Tianire ta ngo moita bari ngo morigi bari lakira nyonga mbali ko monyora. Baka igorwane kariye ketekerale kurugire bituma bamubwatete baka gagutamaga chete ko ibisese nyomba chete bagasoime baka mona chibigote sameta mokwerona kinendo mugako iture na kobutoru omotwa senge nchende merona kiyarenge go sento komanye.
Asmio met and decided that we will continue with demonstrations next week on Monday and Thursday.
Jubilee baboriwe kubwatana na Azimia sokorobekana gwakire iki Jumatatu na Aramisi asabaye Azimia babotokirali uko chia sensemo yoburendi. Asayo mone yanda mange bono isaranso ke kumonya senchira yoboyekira nuri toko bwatira nere gwetera somuno bwimanyiriri gakoro kwa Joshua Auta eritira ninchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Emese mangana mayiseto yigotogo chaga kurwa sorongo rwa Gusii yakerokeri abasubati bali kurigiye birogo avyobura ya sorongo rwa Gusii kurase county ya Nyamira County ya Kisii wana so bomoni go bakiramo na komotogyo murebwense William Samuel Ruto asoko irali bagarya bene na kubarigania abasubati anene asobura ibwaye nigo chinga kigati y'abasubati bate birubuno serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yabanyira abasubati asoburaye egento bakogokera kerage chinga kichubo igoni go baganiyo murebwense William Samuel Ruto kwa kibuna ase county ya Kisii ngonyarale kobeka ensemo yokolengo burere bwa kansa gose cancer center ejibona abarya abasubati batebire buna nabo burere bagendrete gose gasegati y'abasubati okone biyo mu cyobosongo niko batebire bune gangana no kuligere kubwatirana kwa abasubati asoburayi anase serikali ya Kenya kwanza
ondete kuiradi bagedi ndu karibu enene mokarabise omonene bwense omosike his excellency William Samuel Ruto. Ntumuna bangina ntore no mogo komogeni achire ko totarera nande ntore na maene na mogeni tago chabusa gikabu getaichiri. Togo saba omonene bwense chinga kichabono chabere chinkongu uchumi asarekire na bana baito mbari na makongu ao anene mona mangana itokorokana mental health chinga kichiamega mental health issues nchi abaigoro anene mono gusiga nande ngo sabana katoga saine ko kwanerana na kobucho bwanchani torete abara ibonsi SMS egara maoni yabo arigererigu na ritoranyare gokonya na mune serikali
teo manne bwense chi office chine nchiri tubwate problems abantu baito bakurira bana bagusii baito nkurira bare igoro ye land registry ya Kisii iyetegete overhaul abantu bare tuwa bare mo competent nande bare mo honest elinde batokorere gas okorera igonde twakera president mbyamono ase birogo biri byonsi atoire go chagusiga iga nane for the first time muno mu Gusii omongina twanyoro omongina ko yagwekerogo kyobo assistant minister yani CAS bono toko tebanga mbyamono sekeroge ekyo cyagere keroge kikiagerire tokoranga bona bangina baisanire next time bono bo CS togo chakoegwa igo bono for that reason we really appreciate nane birogo biri bitigarete moto ya 50-50 representation muna watu promiseti abagaka amba basako abangi muna bono bara abangi ku abangi na tutayete babe tore ngane 50-50 representation
Na kirayo gagendrete gotigera sengane jumono nigo gati jamenye kurasorongoro gusibono beso kirina kwaliganie taro yomurebwense William Samoei Ruto eyuera takirito koliyanke aseka kyama tukabera se county chonsime ya county ya Nyamira na begone county ya Kisii kolengana abwatene abunigo bago kirina kumwaligania na abwatene ba Kenya kwanza asebate biribu nambale tayari kumwaligania na kubwateranere anasoko nyara gwikirania magendra Chinsemo auchinga kichukuru se county ya Kisii abari yabunigo bate biribu na egangene noko kibune kaunti ya Kisii nkonyolera magendero buna Chinsemo chinde.
Kisii imekaribisha rais kesho katika ziara yake ya maendeleo na kukuja kushuhudia kukaribishwa kwa waziri wa education bwana Machogu. Tumemkaribisha, sisi ni watu wenye amani.
Tumuganyete asenchira yegoromono como welcome na itwata letera magendero buna ali aletira ase Chinsemo chinde cha Kenya. Ase igota watebya abantu bamitaba Gusii buno mwe president itagocha imoma eteta biya itonengiya tokole buna chinka chinde chigokora toba abana bayabechogete ekera achire arabuna twagweneire na liara to ekende na intwe totwere mate.
Na boigo chinga kichigati jabari mukurase kyombekerikya nati asorongoro gusibo igoma na bwatani bande nigo beso kinagote una mbalete ali kubwaterana asumura ibwense karago chigutarira orogongo rwa Gusii tukolyanke na boni go baboribuna banyare konyora bali barasorongoro gusibo go bali getibirugo batanyarete konyora anyare koligereria na kubama baga asense moyobokorere weserikali chinga kichibo igoni go mwakirembi yamona naso konyora gati jabara ikurwa sorongoro gusibo bali getibirugo ebyo abona abakwegwa baga anana sensemeli yobo wazina bo bokonyo wazire maiga yogo chora eserikali yaje.
I also take this opportunity to thank him for including our community in appointments both at the cabinet and technocrat levels. Mr. President, we are humbled by your planned presence and grateful that you have taken your time to visit us. As you may know, Kisii County is a diverse and dynamic region, rich in culture and tradition and home to some of the most industrious and entrepreneurial people in this country. We are proud of our heritage and the contributions we have made to the development of our nation, and we will be honored to have you with us.
Teachers of Kisii County are welcoming our president. We want to say we are prepared, just like the 10 mates in the Bible that had enough fuel. We also have enough fuel, and we are waiting for our president with all regards. We want to tell all the Kenyans that in Kisii we are organized, and we are waiting for our president eagerly. We want to urge that anybody who is around Kisii County to show a lot of respect, because our president is a man of organization, a man who works day and night to see that in Kisii we also prosper.
Na kirobe gutatigarete ko muri kirengani juni gumono monagiryo monne kurwase nyomba yobora State House memo cha Nairobi Hussein Muhammad ate babuna emiro bilionsi kumwaligani umurebwense William Samoei Ruto ni goja Hussein Muhammad ka ukona kurwase nsema daraja 2 imeyo muchobo songa sensemo yokuri wa kwemsoro gose Kenya siri ni gate abuna serikali igebegete gati yemiro bilyo kone kibuna bale minkonyara bale bago konyeka omulike ito mirdedi mumanyi na ikiranense mejo na gotwaligani roboti rokobwatia.
Mariganio onsi nigo aikiranire bosio bwetaro yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ase orogongo rwa Gusii ne Chinsemo chakuria ase omonogari bwenyomba yomurai Hussein Mohamed aikiranire etare yo abwo angyo chingaki atarira ekiganchagio kwena na amoyo kia Kisii ase abalemi bale kwelikia ase boigo akwanera emeroberio erakoreke ase tare yo.
President William Ruto will tomorrow 23rd March 2023 begin a 3-day walking tour Kisii and Nyamira Counties and Kuria East and West constituencies. The President will inspect and commission several projects in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. During his tour of the region, the President will launch the upgrading of the 33.3-kilometer Gekano-Rigoma Amaboko Road, the upgrading of the Nyabohanse-Umumamu Road, and Nyaburu-Oboke roads. President Ruto will also commission the Kagati Water Project in Kisii, and throughout the tour, the working trip, he will hold several meetings with the people, of course, and the leadership of the region.
Naro boigo omubaro bwabalemi ase county ya Nyamira ase agania bonsi kwelikia ase omoroberio bwe kwenyorera obwoyo eliogosimeka chingaki echiche mbura enyinge.
In Nyamira County, the registered farmers are 80,170. and 2,780 packs have been supplied. To reiterate, to access the government subsidized fertilizers, a farmer must be digitally registered, and digital registration is ongoing at the Assistant Chief's offices countrywide. Digitization is a key plank of the government's agenda and is not only important for efficiency, but also to enhance traceability, accountability, and transparency in fertilizer distribution.
Ase ensemo yobwagachi wechinyomba cheligo lilianse Gusii affordable housing Nigo Mohamed Ateba eserikali enenenegendrete kubwatirana n'eki serikali cheti county iliyokoligia amalemo ase omorobelyo yo ase abasaya bange barenyorere emeremo.
Meanwhile, a brief status update on some of the other key government programs. On affordable housing, 46,027 housing units are under construction countrywide. The current 9 sites where housing units are being constructed will cumulatively create 43,000 direct job opportunities for the youth. MSMEs, locally artisans and women groups or women-led enterprises will be involved at all stages of construction, and housing input supplies will be ring-fenced to guarantee them business. The government has been engaging county governments to identify suitable land for affordable housing, and 4,000 acres have been made available through these partnerships. The government has also introduced the affordable housing program at the local level.
Nigo eserikali erengete kubeka emerobelyo ya yeyonsi ase enchera yekerero gose digital platform iliyokwerobelia obukoreri ase abakenya bonsi.
The President's agenda to digitize and automate government services. Of course, the distribution of fertilizer is one of them being done digitally. A total of 2,751 government services have been automated and are now available online on the e-citizen portal. There are over 2,000 additional services already identified and now going through the process of digitization and automation, giving assurance that the target to onboard 5,000 services by June this year.
Okumwaligania nka omwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu ngati yemerobelyo yaye omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto asetaleyo. Kulipata lya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono mulikito Mildred Momanyi soroboche rwa senchera yoboikirano gotigana yibono mwancho muligerelia gwikase county ya Nyamira sebunge ya Kitutu masaba niko bono moroboli boko bwatoka jibasari gochenseme yosyo ligwana gochaki wabanali tukolya lero gati abare kurwa senseme yubakura wana kirifu gisaironi gomono bate birebuna inenchira moyo konyara Gusii amangana rengete chisemya se county ya Nyamira ana sebunge yo ya Kitutu masaba kokona kurwa senseme yuni gochinga kichibono anyareka gote yabuno moroboli beni goraji kuligerelia ane bali bakurwase chinka chintaka na obara batanga ni konyara ko jibasari ya senchera yo konyara Gusii chisemya se county ya Nyamira.
81 10,881 will be given to Form 3 students of Kitutu Masaba. Form 4 watoto 3,984 3,984. Hiyo ni milioni 11,952. 11,952,000 inaenda kwa Form 4. Watoto wa secondary Form 3 and 4 kila mtoto nimempa shilingi 3,000. Every child gets 3,000 shillings. Kwa hivyo secondary tumesema university and colleges have gotten 29,198,000. Milioni 29,198 for university and colleges. For secondary school wamepata milioni 22,833. 22,833,000. So you can see by secondary 22,800,000 in total, but yenye mebaki hapa ni 12 million. Aba iboli motagotia kuira banale leta ngega.
Kotigara boigase kaunti ya Nyamira kero kwa biro kungusana no konene igoro ya mangana rengete chasi kaunti chonse miye kaunti ya Nyamira bodi eteneta mangane chani go bakora etaro yabo miye kaunti ya Kisii na bone kaunti ya Nyamira liko nyara kuligereria echiratiri chirichigo tumeka soko nyara go pimecha ya maiga yabari mukwe murungana na gotebuna nigo chikiro chiabo chia rokane chiko ibo muri kito kurase kaunti ya Nyamira jabuma angi na robochi rwa senchira yobo ime
Maiga yoko igwa ebirero korwa sabaremi nigabo bisakorwa City Board of Kenya bakora etaro ya bene ase kaunti Nyamira na Kisii unatwaba tokwererwa na Samuel Njane omo bisakorwa City Board of Kenya.
Hali mashauri ya chai imepata malalamishi kutoka kwa wakulima na kutoka sehemu nyingi katika Kenya. Pande ya East of the Rift tumepata malalamishi, pande ya West tumepata malalamishi, na kwa hivyo hii shida ya vile chai inapimwa tuseme vibaya iko katika nchi mzima.
Asegati echitundu bali nigo banyora ama mocho amange asechiratiri na boigo amagana yogo pimera
yake na standard yangu inasema imekosa 60 grams. 60 grams. Pa Tombe Factory tumetembelea buying center moja na tukapima ile ratiti tumekuta ikiwa kazini, na kulingana na zile results tumeona tukitumia standards zetu ratiti haikuwa nzuri. Kwa hivyo tumefanya ile tunaita seiza, tumeibeba.
Abali mimba mochia egatia baraiba baremi na boigo abakarani ase bakageire gotumeka chinchira cyobolimo ase ogopima
abeire no gukumisana egekogera kero mukarani acha igabe karigena riasoma chikiro 10 buya, lakini ekero ababusaba bacha ne chikiro chiabo ba test rigena twanyoranga rigene rindire ko bachikiro 10 na intubu nabaremi igo naondokirenga igo togopimerera tirietari boronge
ase basaba obotuki bwa imegokorwa na boigo abakarani abukoirerwa egetambokerio
naende onare gosaba iga esa uri bono batatebiringa chiratiri nchiringia igo nare gosaba Teapot of Kenya erigereri chi factory chionsi pi chia Kenya ekore forensic audit emanyenge gastogo kore runengi ya gosembe egeko geronye chiratiri bago tupimira chire chingia na kitorege nge gasia kabesa chi factory mbuyere
abali mimba sege chokoba maiso asebo igo ekiombekyo giatebange chikoira egetambokerio.
Tungeuliza wakulima sana sana wale wamechaguliwa kuangalia mambo ya bada tea buying center committee members wawe waangalifu,
alafu tutafanya uchunguzi zaidi kudhamini kama ni mashini yenyewe iko na shinda ama shinda imeletwa na mtu ili ajinufaishe. Na nasema pia wakulima wakuwe waangalifu kama vile tunasaidiana na Team Board.
Wameona makosa mahali, sisi kama serikali tuko tayari kusikia malalamishi yako. Line ni nambari ambayo unaweza kupiga wakati wowote na kusikizwa, na namba hiyo ni 0703 333 777 0703 333 777.
Kaunti ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Biemono murikito Job Maangi asorobochirwa asenchira yobo ikranu anekurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira gotingana yibono omwancho murigire bune nchira ya moyo kunyara gokini amangana rengete ebimeri ao na boigo nobole mito murekereme ya kaunti ya Kisii omo governor wa kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asentunda da boigo ni gomera nabalimi asensemo ya ATC miyo muchobo songo asali ira yogo chikubwatira nabalimi likunyara gokini ya liga saliabo uno murikito Josephat Amisi agotomanya.
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Simbarati nigenekeire abaremi me kaunti yo ngana chikobaga kubwatira na barabo na kweneke bunalira belia nyareko bali gusarika asense me ya Gusii na nyareko bali koirana asekerenga kyaye kelike wenerete nigaya kwana alitikola lera segetigietisi asanyareko bakomena na baremi na bugere chikambani ilinde kokwanira igoro basemia bukole ndaliro ba
abantu aminto amarabaya abantu n'abanchali egesukali kialengoro gekor kuwanjare kekire ronkero igo muchando noro out of soil testing etogo koraga iga na botokocha kumanyanga ki narali acidity ya maraba ya chire mono omule lime
omugabano uyu Simbarati boigo ni gatebire serikali ya ine chikobeka boigo ekeganja ikiranyara kobe kwenekia ngagiasirire oboremi ase abaremi ao me county eyo ya Kisii.
As a county again, I think we need to put into forward budget something to assist the farmers who are serious farmers, tuwanunulie, tuwape ile lime.
Igoro bokurumi umugavana Simbarati ni gatebire serikali ya ine chikobage kurinda chibesa ime county yo nabo igokwanira sentu ndende igoro bokurumi ubanyarete kolekana anenekera chikonde janete ko chikoenana asamagendero ao ime county ya Kisii
because of the assisted igabantu bamintu ngokwana igekera ni maitenga ki abangina abange mbalige batali kubige songo talibo kosenege songo ke bawo kwanaga munganjire mbaboli kibese kiro kinkolenda tole na kiri kigotoka tuwole no lime no buyo obuya abantu baitu bakoleki basumekire ndagira kibesa tuabwente wakana na madeni ekialenge 1.6 billion lakini ekero tuabegete tochi tukamulika tuanyoa tukibesa choka to wakana milioni 230 ngaba sacha bandi n'abasubati bandi batahite gutama n'ekibesa 1.4 billion bona ngao ngasimba lenda benga security yao injeti ndikobo abayibi
boigo abarimi ao banyarako bagwikirana asomo yego yo nigo bagokera amaigere banyarako bakoyanyora kurwase chi company na boigo nobotenelio boigo bwe county ya Kisii
na inche nagokire sana sengenjo y'abarimi baito bachira iga bange asengenjo yokomanyarira bari aito ekiagera twetumeira moya mange totali komanyamboro byobo boratokonye asoko meri chindagira cheito buyerinde litonyore ligesa ligiya
gondo murimi na endo mutugi bwe chingoko amone chiombe na asomira mange igoro bunana kimbwete gutuga chingoko cyane amarwaire mbwente ko cyamaryo ko cya karachi arwarire na ya ku prevent
kuripotere gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa egatigie TC igego toka ime county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Amesi
Biamono umurikito Josephat Amesi asorobocho rwa senchire yoboikirano gotigana ibono moncho murigireria goikase kenyerokia bokimwarike gotoka asense moja mokwero sametase bunge yabo base asenka yomo Christopher Ayoro yubono beteka gosire mu bayiri tukule Jumatatu tariki 20 kobwatekana no gosagano ne yamate aseke gotebekana buna no mogondo bakubuna goseke ginga kyo bolimo kolengana ne family yamone nkaso bwagareni gobono bagane serikali kumike getambo garokia bwango eli kubayirire getambo kiro bali babete bakomekanya omugako yaserieta Christopher Ayora asoko bunekenga kyo bolimo buno murikito Ndemo Steven agotomanya
aiga na sekenyero kiabo kimweri location ya Mokorere sub county ya Sameta stora senkanya gosira Christopher Ayora rikabu oyori tukulia Jumatatu kitariki 20 mutienyoyo osaga ni gumugasaso mugondo ye nagoitwa nabanta abana baye bagoteba bamanyekaine
ngo akirusi minga yaya no musani nga yaya musomi no koleki musomi no iture atuwa mnyoga ta maene tugatoka nyanga sarko ore mamugondo mnyokiriwe ase nyomba so yete kuchigwe konya no bamuiterete bakamuna chanacha bakamuna chomutu na amagora mono mogongo so nandekera tokurigiribia abakoreta bambalie ebinambire bire court abuchindu gwecha sambita saya bali ba mufamiete kero kende nabo bakamwako moro nabo bakamuna chano mutu lakini aitaka shukulikiro so ebinabya byabire court nonyo no kunacha ngoja kwarenga mutinyo naligwaja kwaba baramuligiria matuko bagotiana nga tatera mbako muteo wikaba moite elinde binabire koti binyali biko tubutirwale.
Ndio niliweza kuambiwa kuwa papangu nimeweza kuuliwa. Wakati huo ndio nilitravel kuja hapa nyumbani, enyewe nilipofika nikashuhudia kuwa papangu alikuwa ameatakiwa na ameumizwa vibaya na ameiaga dunia.
kureng'ana na bana ba Nyagusira nigo bakwenekia buna enka yabo yanya gutwara omoremba mone amate yabo ase omwaka bwa 2022 chinyomba chiabo ase enke chanyarete gosambwa no korwerio nigo babaire bakomenya Chinsa emo chiare ase eng'encho y'obwobo bonene.
We were forced to move out of this compound and go and get shelter elsewhere. We have been suffering so much. We have been undergoing difficult situations. At some point, we are unable to raise rent.
So barati anire ta ngo moita bari ngo morigi bari lakini onyonga mbali komonyora baka igorwane kari getekerale kuburugire bituma bamubwatete baka gagutamaga chete ko ibisese nyomba chete bagasoime baka mona chibigote
eng'ana ekobunerwa mono no mogondo yo ire ira makweli ukobura kwa morembe no gusaligu kwa mali asebona bwato koboryoko gochiasebire ngo bye serikali ye county neri enene.
My friend Kiture Kindiki, County Commissioner Gusii, County Commander Kisii, TCIO Kisii, to speed up the investigation towards this act where my father was butchered.
Tabona tuko sanga were wishes nabo ne serikali eso na naime so taitonya ariko nyora omolembe tunyago tubutata nabo go molembo nyago Jesu mucho
no nyobo tukibweng'ane ya kibogendrete nemereberio komwenia Christopher negetire kere noko basenke ya bwendete gutinde kwa chinyomba nigo chia sambetu no bwamate mbura babuya asemia kemenge. Eye nero yarenge enka yabo kurende gwetero kuoma na kwa beta se amateye nigo yerete bara kunyara konganya korwa senke na kunyara kogenda isiko kurende nigo bono baire ndire mega yo gusira gwatatu mwabo kurende seboniga nigo basabese kari kunyara gweso yagati na kwene kibuna bunenkeye banyorire obwene bwabo kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwa igase wodi ya Sameta Mukwerero gotoka se bunge abo basi erietariane ndemo Steven
noroboti rugoichane kigima kurende togotome ngarago chia senke ino kwegena bunambanyoro wene bwabo sobotu kwe mekonyara go korwa go tigana ibono monchu muri geto muri kirango Chinsa mochinde kiombe kimo kamenyekante buna Kisii and Live Trust Initiative ni wonokia bwato kiremerobeli yabo ya myaka 5 erebosio gokwana kurwaso muchobo songa soko bwato kemerobeli yabo niko batebere mbalinge tigo kinye uchumi yo yegabo igokirano no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarate omuri kito Brighton Makoli no roboti rwa senchera yoboime.
Today's event is significant milestone in the journey of collaboration between Kisii County and the USA, as well with Agrican, which began with the signing of a memorandum of understanding in February 2020.
Nerenkwana y'umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati hanenekera nyaraka wikirana asomoyiga bogo cha kimeruberiyo barachiko kora myaka 5 yekiombe ya Kisii and Live Trust Initiative eyo yachakiuritko olialero.
I look forward to working with this NGO and leverage on the platform it has created to engage civil society organization, the private sector.
Niganyara kaote abu ne jina chinga ki county ya Kisii takirikoririwa na kubekwa buronge.
Please let us fix our county. It's for the generation to come. Again, it can start from Kisii to spread all over the country.
Boigo gavana nigatogire kiombe kia USAID anene ekaro kia nyarigi kurobo konyi au aho chia se county ya Kisii.
We shall continue engaging the USA on how to strengthen the Cape Board. I urge our implementing partners to ensure the board is representative and its membership reflect the face of Kisii with a clear engagement mechanism with the county government.
Aisha Moronya noyo mokuru wa sekiombe kyo neru wataya au kwana.
We are happy to be here today in the company of the county governor and dignitaries from USAID and Aga Khan Foundation. Our core objective was to launch our 5-year strategic plan, which we have been working on for the last 6 months or so, and we are happy that today we laid down the foundation stone for the same, And we hope that moving forward, we are going to cause a lot of impact and transformation within our county. Using the members CSOs, we have around 1,697 members who are corporates or members of the civil society network with whom we are going to collaborate on various aspects within the county.
Boigo niga mentire meroberikie kiombe kikebegede hase county ya Kisii.
From agriculture, we have education, we have issues around gender and several other cross-cutting sectors within the county to ensure that we bring about more development in collaboration with the county government and other stakeholders within the private sector.
Dr. John Nyambega nerino yomokuru ase kiombe kyo yunyaraga kokoboko ayimoronya anyara kaukwana.
Today was a great day for us. We have managed to have a sitting with the governor, the Directorate of USAID Kenya, and the Gakan Foundation, which is our local sponsoring group. And we have brought on board our members from our 45 counties together, and other interest groups like people living with disability, those addressing women issues, youth, border, and other interest groups in the county.
Boigo nigo basegetire abamenyi be county ya Kisii kurigireria na kubike bintu au herikomenta ligori ase bintu biri bakorosia gose bakonia.
We have engaged our groups to do value addition in what we produce. We are increasing productivity in particular areas to make our people self-reliant, and also some of the rules we are pushing, or some of the agendas we are pushing, the governors had to grant us. One can now carry soapstone, just come and carry it raw out of the county. We want to add value here before it goes out, so that our people get what it takes as we go ahead.
Gudibotirigeta sini Ndizi TV iridariane Brighton Makori.
Yemuno omurikito Brighton Makori asorobochirwa senchira yoboikirano gotigana yibona moncho murigire tumurikere ko Chinsa mo Ndizi ko yorogongo rwa Gusii mu bwazimio wane Kenya serito kuri yale robone miyo mocho Nairobi nigo bali kali huko na koliko bogo cha somote ni wabanyanyimbo ase county ya Nairobi iliko ndi bagali yabene iliko endra na okurobekana kwabo kolengana na azimio wane Kenya nigo bono bate babuno okurobekana kwabo nigo bono kogochi okolekana matukabera se iki okubara chake ko chakre Jumatatu ikego chana boigo korobekana okolekana litukoli ya Ramisi yamaga yomurewe kema ke ODM rera murodinga okorobekana mana bwatani ba litukoli ya Jumatatu abarajya buli tukoli ya rero koika nagoko baliuke ligo chia sense mo yobole ndi tukoli ya rero nigo bono baba bakora wono yokabero mu governor we county ya Kakamega wikiri fompeto paranya asabate abuna mbagani ntiri bagali ya bene ligo korobekana kwabo bunebwendrete na kritukoli ya Jumatatu na boigo litukoli ya Aramisi kinga kichumuli kyo monewe kema ya Jubili Jeremiah Kihoni ni gabori ya kiama ya Jubili na watani ba Jubili waisokya na kubwatana neo mu bwazimio wane Kenya asokorobekana koracha kabena sama tukabere hiki gochakirike gochirikure Jumatatu na boigoli tukuriria lia Aramisi.
The council of the Azimio met and decided that we will continue with demonstrations next week on Monday and Thursday. Thereafter, we shall be releasing other programs that we will have thereafter.
We are not doing this because you require the permit from the police officers for you to hold demonstrations in this country. This is a right given to every Kenyan under the Constitution. And even the fact, if you are not able to serve a notice, it does not take away your right to demonstrate.
As you know, there were demonstrations on 20th. Not just in Kenya, but in South Africa and other countries. But the difference between our demonstration and the rest was that the police were very brutal. And this is a conversation as we came here to serve Bwana Bungei. Notification of our meetings on Monday and Thursday is a matter we wanted to address with him.
It is indicated very clearly who is the regulating officer. The regulating officer of the permits to be issued. And this therefore states very clearly that the order, the regulating officer is the officer commanding or in charge of a police station. It is actually the officer in charge of a police station. At this level of mine, this is a regional command, and whereby we dispense services to the police stations and the rest of the places. So therefore, in this matter related to the issue of Monday protests, it has to be served to the police station.
Chobukurase kanse Catholic boygoni goba mochidio kurobekana gwakole kantana boygo gukogenderete kurubure gochokole kaniki gochiri tukoli aramisi na wetukole Jumatatu. Bishop Bukurase kanse Catholic ni gwono bagandi umurebe kema ke ODM no murebe ense William Samuel Ruto kwane kibona ngotora bale chinkwana chiaba ne likonyaro gutugutera ramanga narengete okurobekana.
Moreover, we are witnessing a high level of unemployment that has made our youth to lose hope and are disillusioned. In this background, the appointment of the bloated CSS does not show sensitivity to the prevailing economic situation.
The only way to avoid chaos and anarchy is always to follow the Constitution and the laws of the land. We therefore appeal to all leaders to pursue the path of peace and dialogue and create a climate and enabling environment where all Kenyans can work and increase productivity. We, the Catholic bishops, declare our intention and willingness to rejoin with the leaders and other Kenyans of goodwill to have the conversation over the issues.
Kichwa n'umurebe ense William Samuel Ruto gukora kurasomo chone Robert tukuliarira ni gobono ate birabuna atari guchwanchira namangana yo kurobekana kondro kolekana sense ya Kenya. Ruto ni gate yabuna ine ncheremo yo kwirania mangana lengete 10 magega ekero kurobekana gokoinekiwa.
There is no reason whatsoever for anyone to stand in the way of free enterprise, disrupt business, or sabotage economic activity, or work as economic terrorists for personal selfish interest. Such impunity must be dealt with firmly and full accountability enforced to vindicate Kenya's commitment as a free market economy.
Tumurigire bono nyora ni gogende to gotengera Ndizi TV gwekeraga buno nkogendo mutumo komo kenyera unonkorera na sentunde ya kabire asiri tukulera bono nimbo atomo ntoje gosanga monere oyibono numwana siasa bwigoro mu MC kurwase goderi ya bogesero kurase bonge ya kituja ja South ito goche gosanga monera semargoba ya bono tumurekera mange ana mangana renge tamagendro boiga sobo galento ligereria ndakemeroberi ya begeta se wodi yo boiga so obwenge tumurekere goro yetaro ya yomore wense na boiga na kurobekana kwa bereko kolekana anene aseiki na boigo buna kuroberi gochio bosike kana manga tura kwana gosanga igobono gendra gotengera Ndizi TV tiganyora match inkwirana ninchikwirana no mogeni bweli tukobono Vincent ya buga oyibono ole MCA bwe wodi ijya bogisero na tukoje gosanganira semargoba yaboniga tiganyora match ngonsanga mangi bono ko bwate nkona ko boli konde wense gocha so MCA bwe wodi ijya bogisero Vincent ya buga ebono namba SMS muna botamba seskirinya ogabu guchero kebe kwa sebiro bitere bitambe onyara ko bolia nansanga sobwamo asemargoba yabono to Scott tiganyora match kwirana ndeno mugeni ya semargoba ijya bono.